Hey guys, this is MHD Tech. And before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Welcome. Today, we are conducting a technical teardown and performance review of the AutoFull M6 Ultra 2.0. This is not merely an aesthetic refresh, it is a mechanical overhaul of the previous flagship. The M6 Ultra 2.0 is designed around a total climate control concept and a third-generation adaptive lumbar system. We will analyze the hardware, the electronic integration, and the structural load-bearing components that define this unit's 396-pound weight capacity. Let's start with the primary electronic integration, the active climate system. Unlike passive mesh chairs that rely on ambient airflow, the M6 Ultra 2.0 utilizes a dual-zone thermal module. On the cooling side, the seat base houses twin high-velocity turbofans. These fans utilize a centrifugal design to pull air from the underside and push it through a perforated high-density foam layer and a 0.5mm breathable PU leather surface. This significantly reduces the thermal interface between the user and the chair. For thermal retention, the chair utilizes graphene heating technology. Located in the lumbar and mid-back sections, these graphene sheets provide far infrared heat. This is more efficient than copper wire heating, reaching a maximum temperature of 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius, in under 3 minutes. Both systems are managed via the integrated side control panel, requiring a 5V/2 ampere power input, optimized for high-capacity portable power banks or direct USB connection. Moving to the mechanical core, the M-Series third-generation lumbar support. This is a dynamic tracking system, meaning it reacts to the user's center of gravity. The system features 3 distinct degrees of freedom. First is the 60mm depth adjustment, controlled by the external dial, allowing you to set the initial protrusion against the L1 to L5 vertebrae. Second is the 50mm vertical adaptation. The plate is mounted on a sliding rail that moves as you shift your posture. Finally, the 5-degree lateral rotation allows the lumbar plate to pivot when you lean into a corner or shift your weight. The goal here is constant surface contact. In our testing, the mechanical linkage maintains pressure even during a 160-degree recline, a common failure point in static lumbar designs. This effectively redistributes the load away from the lower intervertebral discs. One of the most complex mechanical assemblies on the M6 Ultra 2.0 is the 6D mechanical armrest. We define 6D by the 6 vectors of movement available. Beyond standard height, depth, and width adjustments, the 2.0 introduces 360-degree orbital rotation. The armrest stem sits on a geared pivot, allowing the pads to be positioned inward for typing or outward for peripheral use. Most notably, the fold-up mechanism allows for a 20-degree upward incline. This is specifically engineered for handheld gaming or mobile use, elevating the elbows to align the wrists with the visual field. The internal structure is reinforced steel, eliminating the wobble often found in high adjustability armrests. When not in use, they can be rotated completely to the rear, allowing the chair to be tucked under low-clearance desks. Under the upholstery, the frame is constructed from 1.5mm industrial-grade cold-rolled steel. The 2.0 revision has increased the wall thickness of the main spine to prevent torsion under heavy loads. The lift mechanism is an SGS Class 4 explosion-proof gas cylinder. In technical terms, this means it has passed a 100,000 cycle durability test and features a thickened outer casing for safety. This is mounted to a 6-piece integrated aluminum alloy base. The casters have been upgraded to 75mm XL pressure-sensitive wheels. They use a soft-tread PU coating, which serves two purposes: noise reduction on hard surfaces and increased friction on carpets to prevent chair drift during intense movement. For the cervical spine, the ErgoCloud headrest provides a semi-wrap support. It offers 10 centimeters of vertical travel and a 60-degree tilt range. The foam density is calibrated to slow rebound memory foam, which absorbs the weight of the cranium rather than pushing against it. In terms of recovery, the built-in vibration motors provide localized muscle stimulation. These are not simple, eccentric, rotating mass motors. They are tuned for high-frequency pulses to encourage blood flow during long sessions. Combined with the retractable footrest, which uses dual steel rails for stability. If you are looking for a chair that treats ergonomics, if you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming full review of the S70 mic. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next one. Till then, peace out.